technology is looked as a threat, and it could have some limitations. Incorporating it into your classroom provides new ways of engaging with content and course material. Idea one is combined learning methodologies. So of course we as teachers love hands-on, but what we could do is much more. We can adapt to different learning styles, from online content to videos to asynchronous, synchronous learning. Anything you want, you have at your fingertips. Idea number two, it saves so much time. When we're thinking about synchronous and asynchronous, we can provide a lot of asynchronous modules for our students at different steps. Idea number three is interactive engagement in the class. So not only are we teaching them how to use the skills, but sometimes our students take over and have ownership of the technology and the practice. Idea number four is become better with comprehension. Our students, with a couple of clicks, can go anywhere and log on in any resource to further their knowledge about any concepts that we introduce. I hope those tips help. This is Sandy Williams from EI360. Bye for now.